And we have another breaking news coming in. It seems ahead of the winter session of the Parliament, a meeting is underway at Defence Minister Rajnath Singh's residence. BJP President JP Nadda, Union Ministers Dharmendra Pradhan, Mansukh Mandavia, Bhupendra Yadav, Manohar Lal Khattar and Kiren Rijiju are all present for this meet that is currently underway. Joining us live now is India Today's Aishwarya Paliwal. Aishwarya, what is the agenda of the meeting?
Well, Anjali, from what we are understanding, what needs to be done next with regards to what the opposition will do, because that's what the government at the moment is looking at. The government believes that there will be protests, just like what we saw the last time. Most of the opposition parties will be out there protesting against the ongoing SIR exercise, especially the TMC party. We have seen, Anjali, how Mamata Banerjee has been questioning the Election Commission over what is happening in West Bengal and the kind of alleged pressure that TMC speaks about with regards to the BLO. How to counter that and what needs to be done. So this is something which is happening, a very crucial meeting underway at the moment. We understand the meeting has been going on for the last almost 15 to 20 minutes, and it will go on for the next half an hour to at least 45 minutes. The strategy will be chalked out with regards to what needs to be done in the important winter session, which begins on the 1st of December. Anjali.
Right, Aishwarya. Thank you very much for the details. So a meeting is underway at the Defence Minister's home. Today marks a very important day in independent India's history. The country is celebrating the 76th Constitution Day or Samvidhan Divas. President Murmu, Prime Minister Modi, Vice President Radhakrishnan, Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla, Lok Sabha LOP Rahul Gandhi and Union Ministers attended the Constitution Day program in the Central Hall of Samvidhan Sadan today. President Draupadi Murmu addressed both the houses of Parliament. Vice President, during his address, mentioned how the world today is looking up to India. The celebrations also witnessed the release of the translated version of the Constitution in 9 languages. First ever Kashmiri edition of Constitution was also launched. Prime Minister Modi paid tribute to the to the framers of the Constitution, praising their vision and commitment to nation building. Prime Minister Modi urged everyone to renew their commitment to constitutional values through their actions. Meanwhile, Rahul Gandhi and Mamata Banerjee have attacked the centre, saying that they won't allow any attack on the constitution, urging respect beyond caste and religion. Mamata Banerjee accused the centre of putting democracy at stake, bulldozing federalism and endangering secularism.